coming out to the front paddock. We had nearly 30 mils of rain last night. It's pretty good. It's sneaky now. So we're bringing everyone in. There we go. It's beautiful afternoon. It is blowy, but it's surprisingly really warm. It's about 18 degrees. Look how green everything is for this time of year. So I'm going to go home now and go through a few puddles on the way home. Hey, Sneaky. Looking at things a little more specifically regarding feed, looking down at the ground. There's a lot of woody salvia growing at the moment. That's come out to flower, but there's a lot of clover down there. So there's little yellow flowers, onion weed, some native grasses growing, and a little bit of turnip still. So a fair amount of sheep feed with a spring, these rains keep up for spring and the warm sunshine. We'll have a nice amount of feed. And actually further up towards the front there, and also more out this way, there's quite a bit of spear grass. It's coming up behind. Gorgeous on a day like today. Looking out over the sand hills over there. Watching the birds. Going down the track. Heading some puddles, hey Sneaky? In the water, hey Sneaky? Welcome, good girl. Watch all these videos of you see horses rolling when they hit a puddle, so I don't think she'll do that, but you just wonder. Hey Sneaky? There you go, that's following us. Come on Sneaky.